guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is oatmeal cookies, which is digestive homemade cookies. You can do it yourself. So first of all, you cream, sugar and butter. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. And for my old subscriber, thank you for your support and thank you for your love. I love you all, guys. Thank you. For you to know that your butter and sugar is well cream, it will change color. Initially, the color is kind of cream. Then at the end, it will look whitish. So you see the color has changed. So this is just sugar and butter here. It's well cream now. Add egg. When you add egg, you also need to cream, okay? Mix it very well. Please watch the video to the end so that you understand the step by step. So this one too is ready. I'll keep this aside. This is flour. Time to mix our dry ingredients. Add your baking powder, your baking soda and salt. So this is our oat. I'm using 200 grams of oat. Mix everything together. So back to our butter and sugar mixture. Now it's time to add all the dry ingredients. Add it gradually and mix gently. You can do it on number one so that the whole place will not be too rough. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like, share and leave a comment. Please don't over mix it. Now it's ready to be molded. Please, before you start molding, wash your hand because you are going to make use of your hand and nothing else. So this is after I wash my hand. It's time for me to start molding it. You make a small round ball and flatten it. Don't over flatten it. And when you are molding it, it should not be too big because it's going to double its size when it's in the oven already. You continue with this process until all the mixture is finished. So this is the outcome. Please, if you are using this oven tray, make sure you have only 12 inside. Only 12, it should not be more than 12. So this is after I've baked it. You bake on 170 to 180 degree for 15 minutes, or until it's little golden brown. You can see how it's looking. This is the back and this is the front. Our cookie is so fresh, crushing and yummy. Homemade oat cookies. I can't wait to have a bite. Allow it to cool down. So this is after it has cooled down, and I want to transfer to the clean plate. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Share with your friends, please. This cookie is so soft, melt in your mouth. You have to try this recipe. You can send me the picture, or you can send me an email. So I'll just garnish with a little. Garnish it with oatmeal. This is just for decoration, okay? To have a photo. So this is the outcome. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to watch other of my video. I have good video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye and stay tuned. Stay blessed.